Hello my friends, this is teacher Danny. Welcome to another English video. Today we are going to study the perfect modal verbs and how to make sentences using these modal verbs, alright? So let's get started. The perfect modal verbs have a particular usage, so we use them to express speculation or uncertainty in the past. So you can create them with the structure modal verb, have plus the verb in participle past. Okay, so we have 6 particular perfect modals. The first one is must have, the number 2 is may have, might have, can have, could have, should have, and ought to have. Remember, my friends, that in this case the verb have is not tener, is haber. Okay, so let's analyze the number 1. We have must have, that in Spanish is debe haber o debió. Debió haber tal cosa sido. Okay, so we are going to analyze some examples of this one. The number 1 is the lights are off. They must have gone out. Las luces se fueron. Ellas debieron haberse ido. Okay, the example number 2 is Frank failed the exam. He must not have been paying attention in class. Frank perdió el examen. Él no debió haber estado prestando atención en clase. Okay? So let's continue with the number 2, may have. In Spanish, may have is puede haber. Also, we have a similar one that is might have, that is puede que haya. Okay, remember that we can have differences according to the translations. Because they are they don't have an exact or a universal translation into Spanish, so you can use them in different ways. But commonly, they are the most appropriate translations according to my opinion. Okay, so let's analyze the example. The number 1, how rude! You may have asked for it. Qué grosero. Tú puedes haberlo pedido. Okay? The number 2 is Juan and his family are not in the city. They might have won the lottery. Juan y su familia no están en la ciudad. Ellos debieron o puede que se hayan ganado la lotería. Let's analyze the number 4, can have. Can have in Spanish is puede haber. Okay, so let's analyze examples. We say Carmen is late. She can have lost. She's so silly sometimes. Carmen va tarde o está tarde. Ella puede haberse perdido. Ella es boba algunas veces. Let's analyze the number 5, could have. Could have could be translated as pudo o podría haber tal cosa. Okay, so why did you cheat on me? We could have talked about it before. ¿Por qué me engañaste? ¿Por qué me pusiste los cachos? Pudimos haber hablado acerca de esto antes. Pudimos haberlo discutido, comentado. Okay, so let's continue with the number 6. Should have or ought to have. They are the same. But should have is more common than ought to have. So it's debería haber tal cosa o debió haber tal cosa. So we have a particular similarity with must have, but the difference is that we use it for advices. We have the following example. You seem you should have listened to me that day. Si ves, debiste haberme escuchado ese día. Okay, so they are the perfect modal verbs. They are not very complicated. You need to take in mind the verbs in participle form, even the regular and the irregular verbs, so you can practice with that. And the idea is that you can study it in context, or you can create examples for it. Okay, so we have some examples in here. Check this meme. When you think you had a bad day, just remember this is Kirill. It could have been worse. Cuando pienses que tuviste un mal día, solo recuerda esta ardilla. Pudo haber sido peor. Okay? And we have the second part of this meme. Damn, that should have hurt. I had better look for seeds on the ground. Rayos, eso debió haber dolido. Como que mejor busco semillitas en el piso. So those are the examples that I have for you on the usage of these perfect modal verbs. Okay, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a like, and goodbye.